A study has revealed new details about a mysterious dagger once owned by Tutankhamun, which was said to have been born from a meteorite. When Howard Carter discovered the staggering burial chamber of the boy king in 1922 in Egypt's Valley of the Kings, he found a mysterious, well-preserved iron dagger. It was an enigma due to the origin and manufacture of the dagger. It was observed to have a roughly polished double-edged blade and hilt made mainly from gold and a prominent crack in the centre. Tutankhamun's reign took place during the 18th dynasty of ancient Egypt, between 1361 and 1352 BC. The period was in the late Bronze Age and, therefore, around a century and a half before iron processing technology began, and its use became widespread during the Iron Age. Despite this, some previous artifacts, including the dagger, were made from iron sourced from metallic meteorites that struck Earth at some point, but the quality of the dagger meant that it must have been made in a place where the skill of working meteorite-derived iron was well established at this point. That location has remained a mystery ever since the weapon was discovered. But a new study carried out by a group of Japanese and Egyptian researchers could shed new light on its origin. Using non-destructive chemical analysis, the team has determined that the raw meteorite of the dagger blade was most likely octahedrite, the most common class of iron meteorites. They also discovered that the weapon must have been manufactured at a low temperature before forging, and that the object was a gift brought from the ancient Mitanni civilization, which spanned Anatolia and Mesopotamia, from around 1600 BC to around 1260 BC. Tomoko Arai, a scientist from the Planetary Exploration Research Center at the Chiba Institute of Technology in Japan, and one of the authors of the study, said, "The origin of Tutankhamun's iron dagger is crucial, as it directly affects the widely accepted history of human civilization from the Bronze Age to the Iron Age." The time of King Tut, around 1300 BCE, corresponds to the late Bronze Age, and the Iron Age is believed to have begun around 1200 BCE. The team was able to establish that the iron in the artifact came from octahedrite because of analysis of nickel distribution in the blade of the object. As well as scientific analysis, documentary evidence also points to the blade's origin. The Amarna letters, a diplomatic correspondence written on clay tablets and discovered in a royal archive in the south of Egypt, detail an inventory of gifts bestowed by King Tushratta of the Mitanni to Amenhotep III, Tutankhamun's grandfather. The items were gifted when Amenhotep married Tushratta's daughter, Princess Tadikepa. This list mentions a dagger with an iron blade. The research, carried out recently, points to the dagger mentioned in the Amarna letters and the one found in the boy king's tomb being one and the same. Although Tomoko Arai was careful not to declare the mystery solved, she said, "Based on the currently available evidence we obtained through the non-destructive and contactless chemical analysis, our suggestion is the Kingdom of Mitanni in Mesopotamia as the object's origin." But she added, "This is not yet a definitive conclusion." So what do you think? Is the dagger mentioned in the Amarna letters the same blade as the one found in Tutankhamun's tomb by Howard Carter in 1922? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And thank you for watching.